Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Your Beautiful and a very happy Eid Mubarak, Guzashta jisko bolte hain, belated Eid Mubarak. And I thought, actually I wore these clothes on Eid and this is the makeup look I did on Eid, so I thought I'd just recreate it for you because I could not post it before Eid, or obviously Eid wale din bhi nahi main kar saki thi. So this is a very it is glamorous, but it is very wearable. I think it's pretty wearable and it's easy to create. So if you want to know how to learn to create this look, which is like has a lot of the summery vibes, in the sense that it's fresh, it's rosy, it's pinky, and it has some smokiness going on in the corners. So keep on watching the tutorial and I'll see you on the other side as usual.
I'm priming my eyelids with the Eyes Like Angel. I always forget the name. This is the Luscious Sky Primer jo hai, Angel Eyes ya Eyes Like Angels or whatever. This is a thick primer. Like इसकी consistency can match the P. Louise का या matte का paint pot, so it cancels out all the redness or whatever, although I don't have much of it, but still, इसके ऊपर the eyeshadows, they go on nicely. And then I'm going in with the Coty Airspun hair powder and I'm applying it underneath my eyes. Because I have done my face makeup, that's my problem. I do my face makeup first and then I go in with my eye shadows, and I'll be setting the eye primer with the same Coty Airspun loose powder before I go in with my eye makeup. Going in with the Huda Remastered Rose Gold Edition, I'll be starting off with the shade Sandalwood as a transition color, and I'm applying it above my brow bone, my crease area. So this is like I'm just blending it loosely all over on both eyes. Obviously I do both eyes together so that my eye makeup matches on both sides. I'm just windshield wiper motions mein ja rahi hu. I'm just doing it in both eyes, and then taking a smaller blending brush, I'm going with henna, and I'm just going to concentrate on the outer C or the outer V or whatever you want to call it, and I'm going in circular motions. I'm like placing and blending the shadow at the same time. And when there's nothing left on the brush, then I will go into the crease as well. I'll do this on both ears as well. Is look mein blending, yes, when you're going in for a smoky eye with a lot of colors, because you want to add depth to the corner, then you have to do a lot of blending. आप इसके एक दो colors भी कर सकते हो use, like you don't have to go in with so many colors. ज़्यादा colors से dimension ज़्यादा आता है. That is why I have used quite a few colors. And you can see I'm blending out because blending is important when you're using colors. अगला shade है Man Eater, that's a red kind of a shade. उसको भी मैं वहीं place कर रही हूँ outer V पे, and I'm doing exactly the same thing as I did with henna. And जब brush पे कुछ भी नहीं रह जाएगा तो I'll just run it across my crease. And I'll repeat the same procedure on both my eyes. Then I'm going in with Cocoa. This is a dark chocolate brown, right? And I'm repeating what I have been doing before. Obviously, every color, I keep it slightly, short of the first color so that baki colors nazar aaye. So basically, and then I go in with a blending brush as well to blend all the colors. So blending, इस look में हाँ blending बहुत है. But again, I would say that you can use less colors. Finally, I'm going with the black. बहुत fine brush से मैं black को place कर रही हूँ right in the outer edge, and I'll just blend it out. So this will finish my, जो मेरी आउटर कॉर्नर की स्मोकीनेस है इसको ख़त्म कर देगी. कैमरा की लाइट कुछ ऐसी थी कि उसने कैच नहीं किया. आई एम सो आई डोंट नो व्हाट्स रॉन्ग विद द लाइटिंग इन माई रूम. I don't know, maybe I'll have to call in somebody and have it checked, because I'm working so hard, and at the end you'll see आपको लगेगा कि वो एक ही कलर का आई शैडो है. Anyway, अब ये कलर है रोज गोल्ड. It's one of the textured eyeshadows. I'm placing it on my lid with my finger, or जब इसको place कर लूँगी roughly, so I'll just neaten the edges with the brush. And yes, I have not cut the crease. इसकी crease cut की होती तो ये ज़्यादा pink आता है. यहाँ पर it is pink. इस कैमरा में इतना pink नहीं आ रहा. इसमें थोड़ा सा bronzy सा आ रहा है. और फिर मैं दूसरा ब्रश लेके वो फेदर इन कर रही हूँ ब्राउन और ब्लैक और वो स्मोकीनेस को. एंड हियर आई एम क्लीनिंग माय अंडर आई पाउडर, एंड देन आई विल गो इन विद अ कंसीलर टू क्लीन any mess that I've made on the corners of my eyes. And that is how I do my eyeshadow. यही ब्लैक ट्रफल इसका नाम है. इसी को मैंने लिया है, एंड आई एम जस्ट ड्राइंग ए लाइन, नॉट अ विंग लाइनर, नथिंग, जस्ट अ ब्लैक लाइन. इसको मैं ड्रॉ कर रही हूँ. एंड ताकि जब मैं आई लैशेस लगाऊँ तो थोड़ा सा उसकी थिक लुक आए. I'm applying the mascara, and after this I will go in with the falsies. Falsies I do the reverse. Okay, अच्छा अब under eyes पे आ गई हूँ. और under eyes पे I'll be going in with henna and sandalwood. उसके बाद ये पेंसिल ब्रश है BH Cosmetics का. उसके बाद I'll go in with man eater को मैं 3/4 अंदर लेकर आऊँगी. एंड देन I'll go in with cocoa. ब्लैक मैंने यूज़ नहीं किया बिकॉज मुझे लगा फिर वो टू मच हो जाएगा, इसलिए ब्लैक मैंने यूज़ नहीं किया ऑन द लोअर लैश लाइन. or this is how much I'm smoking the lower lash line. And this is I'm applying glue to my top lash, yes, and I am going to put on my falsies, and after that I'll be putting on my lipstick, and that will be the end of my makeup.
So this is the finished look. It's fresh, it's summery, something that I would definitely wear on Eid, on any festive occasion, or obviously it's not an everyday look kind of a look, but this you can even on Eid you can totally do it without the eyelashes. You can just coat your eyelashes with mascara, and you can do without the eyelashes. So but I always, when I'm filming, I try, I don't know, I have this fetish or some kind of insecurity that I do put on eyelashes, although I will do tutorials without eyelashes too. I know, I have to let my insecurities go as well. So like, I am a normal human being. I have insecurities like I'm sure all of you do as well. Different होंगी मेरी, लेकिन filming करते हुए मुझे लगता है, like my eye makeup is not going to show up as nicely as it does, or as it should, if I don't wear eyelashes. Although in normal days I don't wear eyelashes. Okay, so if you like this look, please do give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and do request more tutorials. If you want more tutorials with the Huda Beauty palette, I'll do that for you as well. And do request. And I hope you all had a very nice Eid, and stay safe, stay blessed, take care of yourself, and we'll meet again soon. All right, so till next time, Allah Hafiz.